Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Car Spot Welder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is VEVER stud welder. Specifications. Item model number PL80M. Input voltage AC 230 volts 50 Hz. Rated power 3000 watts. Net weight 50.6 pounds to 22.95 kilograms. Slide hammer size 20.9 in 530 millimeters. Origin mainland China. Item number 4 is VEVER 3kW Dent Puller Welder. Specifications. Model GD90E. Input voltage 220 volts. Input power 3 kilowatt. Maximum input current 20 amperes. Origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected VEVER 3500A Dent Puller Spot Welder. Specifications. Model number Pro 3500. Voltage supply 220 volts. Frequency 60 Hz. Rate power 1.8 kVA. Output current 3500 amperes. Working time 0-99s. Gun 16 in 40 centimeter. Origin mainland China. Item number 2 is VEVER Dent Repair Machine. Specifications. Input current fuse 16 amperes. Type Dent Repair Welder. Max output current 3500 amperes. Unit type Dent Repair Tool. Input power 2 kilowatt. Origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have VEVER Car Sheet Metal Repair Machine. Specifications. Output voltage 1 to 7 volts. Input voltage 220 volts. Input power 3 kilowatt. Max. Input current 20 amperes. Features spot welder. Features 2 spot welding machine. Origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.